In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDT using the Phantom wallet. Whether you're new to cryptocurrencies or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process with ease and clarity. First things first, if you haven't already, open up your Phantom wallet. Once you've done that, make sure to log into your account. It's really important to ensure you're logged in so you can access all of the wallet's features. Now that you're in, you should find yourself on your homepage. Here, you'll be able to see your current balance and any tokens that you already own. You can also explore the different features available to you, such as receiving, sending, swapping, and, importantly for today's task, buying. Our focus today is on the buying option, so go ahead and click on the Buy button you see on your screen. This will enable you to search for the specific cryptocurrency you want to purchase, which in this case is USDT. Simply type in USDT into the search bar to find it quickly. Once you see USDT listed, click on it to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the amount of USDT you wish to buy. It's helpful to have an idea of your budget and how much USDT you'd like to own before getting started. After you've decided on an amount, enter it in the space provided. One of the convenient features of the Phantom wallet is that it gives you the option to pay either with a debit card or a credit card. Choose the method that works best for you. It really comes down to what's most convenient. Following your payment method selection, click on Buy, which will then bring you to a screen where you'll need to enter your card details. Make sure you have your card handy, as you'll need to enter information such as the card number, expiration date, and CVV. It's always smart to double-check each entry to avoid any errors. Once you've entered your card details, follow the prompts on your screen to complete the transaction. The Phantom wallet will guide you through the remaining steps, and it's pretty straightforward from here on out. After you finalize the process, your purchased USDT should appear in your account. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching, and congratulations on successfully buying USDT using the Phantom wallet. Make sure to keep your wallet details secure and enjoy exploring the world of cryptocurrency. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy trading!